Today's data snapshot will be looking at railroad crossing and train accidents, causes, and trends, an informational guide of the data and statistics curated by Lawsuit Legal. Railroad accidents in three categories. Railroad accidents are divided into three groups. Group 1 being highway rail grade crossing accidents. Group 2 involving dysfunctional or rail equipment. Group 3, death, injury, and occupational illness related accidents. How many total rail accidents occurred in the United States? This chart reveals the reported incidents from 2013 to 2016, according to Statista.com, of accidents involving accident incidents reports, injuries, and fatalities for each of the reported years. The number of railway accidents by state, according to Statista, New York had the highest reported number of incidents, followed by Illinois, Texas, California, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Indiana, Ohio, Louisiana, Georgia, Kansas, Missouri, and then Florida for reported year 2011. Train accidents excluding highway rail crossing incidents from the years 2014 to 2017, reporting fatalities with workers on duty, employees not on duty, incidents involving passengers on the train, fatalities of non-trespassers, and trespasser fatalities. Additionally, the chart breaks down the incidents between fatal incidents as well as non-fatal accidents. Train accident breakdown reported in 2016. According to the Railroad Administration, 1,582 total train accidents occurred in 2016. Among them, 5 fatal train accidents, 8 total fatalities, and 284 total non-fatal conditions. The accident frequency by track type. This chart breaks down by track type of derailment, collision, highway, rail, other, and all other accident types, along with the number of freight train accidents that occurred. Most common causes of train accidents. The most common causes of train accidents are derailments, mechanical failure, distracted pedestrians, problems with the track, collisions, crashes with other trains and vehicles, accidents in unprotected railroad crossings, stalled cars on the track, and suicides. Primary causes of rail accidents. The following chart reveals Federal Railroad Administration safety and analysis statistics for 2016, showing the primary causes, the leading primary cause being human factor, followed by track defects, then miscellaneous causes, equipment defects, and signal defects. The most serious types of railway accidents. By major cause, according to the Railroad Administration for 2016, derailments, side collisions, raking collisions, rear-end collisions, and head-on collisions accounted for the most serious fatality accidents of the year. According to the statistics, 994 pedestrian rail trespass casualties, including fatalities and injuries, occurred in the year 2016, with roughly 72% of all trespass casualties occurred in the 15 states. Railroad fatality data by railroad. UP Union Pacific Railroad Company, CSX Transportation, NS Norfolk Southern Railway Company, BNSF Railway Company, and ATK Amtrak accounted for 707 cases, 640 cases, 527 cases, 510 cases, and 423 reported. Trespass casualties by railroad in 2016 continued. NJTR New Jersey Transit Rail Operations, FEC Florida East Coast Railway LLC, LI Long Island Railroad, and KCS Kansas City Southern Railway Company accounted for cases, 97 reported cases, 83 reported cases, 68 reported cases, and 47 reported cases, respectively. Trespass casualties by state. Top 10 states broken down in 2016. The leading state, California, accounted for 191 total trespass casualties, of which 101 were fatal, with 90 injuries. Texas accounted for 89 reported incidents, with 38 fatal incidents and 51 injuries. Florida followed with 63 total incident casualties reported, with 37 fatal accidents and 26 injuries. New York followed with 54 total casualty reports, with deaths accounting for 27 and injuries for another 27, followed by Pennsylvania with 45 total, 26 fatalities and 19 injuries, as well as Illinois with 39 total, 22 fatal incidents, and 17 injuries. Trespass casualties by state. The top 10 states continued. Georgia, number 7. North Carolina, Ohio, followed by New Jersey. It's both dangerous and deadly. All highway rail incidents at public and private crossings, according to the Railroad Administration, from 2009 to 2016. The chart reveals fatalities in contrast to injuries through the reported years. Collision data. All highway rail incidents at public and private crossings from 2009 to 2016, with collision reports from the years 2009 reported through 2016. Train and rail fatality data. According to the Bureau of Transportation Statistics, transportation fatalities by mode, years 2012 through 2016, railroad total accounts for 674 in 2012, 700 in 2013, 765 reported in 2014, 749 reported in 2015, and 2016, 813. Followed by reported incidents broken down into train accidents, highway rail grade crossings, trespassers, and other incidents. The roadway worker fatalities annually reporting statistics data from 1990 through 2013 reports. This chart reveals the fatality data for roadway workers through the reported years. A history of tragedy. Serious train crash incidents. A few examples of serious train crashes. In New York, February 3rd, 2015, the Metro North crash involved 659 passengers. Among them, 5 passengers died. 9 passengers and the engineer were injured, and the driver of the sport utility vehicle also died. In 2008, Southern California, there were 24 passenger deaths. A train ran a red signal and collided head-on with another train. In 1993, Alabama, 42 passenger deaths when a barge struck a rail bridge. So what now? About lawsuitlegal.com. Considering suing for compensation? Connect with a qualified lawsuit attorney who will make sure you are aware of your legal rights and ensure your voice and needs are not ignored. www.lawsuitlegal.com. Connecting people with legitimate legal claims to attorneys nationwide who can help. Lawsuit Legal makes it simple and easy to acquire award-winning legal assistance when it's needed most.